Hey guys, so we often talk about people getting scammed on Alibaba, but we don't often hear sellers getting scammed on Alibaba. So the most common scam is, usually people from India or Russia sending you some quotation or asking you to send catalogs to their email address. And anyway, let me show you guys what I mean by that inside your Alibaba seller account. All right, so here we are inside the message section. So they usually send a message like that. Hello, I'm seriously interested in your product. Can I get a sample out of it? How long it will take? Yeah, they will make like they really want to buy your stuff. And they'll tell you, like, they give you an email address and send it to their email address, your catalog or whatsoever. So I've sent an email just to try, and send my catalog, and hear how they typically like reply, like how are you doing, and this and that. They even made like, a template looking like, it's from Alibaba, and they have like look at that, like order list, like it's so obvious it is a scam. Like once you click on that, they usually like require like, your email address, your passport. And guys, like, don't ever put your email address inside that thing, guys. Like if you're not sure, just check the address, and usually some sketchy address. So guys, that's it. So even those scams are pretty like obvious, but some people like they don't know, and I'm not sure if what they can do with with your account. They probably could change like the payment banking or stuff like that. But anyway, guys, be aware, and thank you guys for watching, and follow my YouTube channel so I can put more topics on e-commerce, and I'm trying to build $1 million Alibaba store. So I'll see you guys in the next video.